Here's how to turn on read receipts and typing indicators in the Messages app on your Android phone. So first, open your Messages application. Then after, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. Tap on the Chat settings from the top of the screen. And here you'll get the option of Read Receipts in the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and toggle this option on to enable the Read Receipts and typing indicators. This will let contacts know that you've read their messages. And in some of the Android phone, you'll get the option of RCS chat under message settings. If you turn the RCS chat switch on, it will confirm that it's working and you can return to the main screen, open a conversation and send a message. If the message sends, the RCS messaging is enabled. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.